what we're doing here is his name is Vivek. So I met him at the event as well, and he's given me the opportunity to unbox the matte black or midnight black variant, which is a 128 gig variant. So let's go ahead and do that. But right now, let's do a quick unboxing and let's allow him to go home. He's tired as well. Let's begin. Alright, so quick unboxing, unexpected unboxing is what I would like to say. Now, this right here is the 128 gig variant with 8 gigabytes of RAM. Ideally, this is the one I should have got, but then again, you know me, I don't keep phones for more than 2 to 3 months, so might as well get the one which is lowest priced. So what we're going to do is we're quickly going to unbox it, and this is all the information in case you want to have a look at it. For now, let me ask someone to give me a key or something to go ahead and... So OnePlus, they have a thing, right? Okay, we have a card. Alright, so here we go. Here goes nothing. The plastic is off. Now OnePlus usually says that the way you should unbox their phones is after you remove the plastic, you just have to drop it. Let's see if that happens. Okay, it works. And then the third step that they mention here, so this is the phone basically, is pop. So you have to pop this one. Okay, I don't want to drop someone's new phone. Yeah, all right. So here's the first look. I would not say exclusive because all the big YouTubers already have it, but that's fine. My audience is my audience, and I'm sure you guys will love it. So let's have a closer look at it. This is the matte black variant, and it feels really nice and smooth in hand. It's not a fingerprint magnet. That is one of the biggest USPs. Now, I was going to buy the glossy one all this while, but when I went to pay for it, I actually changed my mind and I asked him if he has a matte black in 64, unfortunately, which he didn't. We will do a device overview later. Let's take the plastics off, which is always a good feeling. There you go. And we'll keep this one, otherwise it'll mess the device up. Let's quickly go ahead and power it on. Alright, so while the device powers on, let me just show you the other contents inside the box. This is the box right here. And okay, now this is the dash charging cable and this is the dash charger. There's nothing changed over here. Everything is the same since the days of OnePlus 5T. So it's basically VOOC charging, which is really fast. So we'll have a look at it later. But for now, let's have a look at this wonderful box and let's see what contents are in there. I'm pretty sure there is a gel case, as you already know, but what kind of a gel case? Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so right over here, you have a SIM ejector tool, a couple of leaflets. And if we take this aside, so this is basically the gel case. Now the quality is more or less the same as it was to the 5T. Now if you have been a subscriber with me for at least the last 6 to 8 months, you will know that this very case was responsible for paint chipping on my OnePlus 5T, and after I posted that video, there were a lot of people who had the similar issues and they have changed their back panels. Now that is not the case with this baby here, because although it looks like metal, but this is glass. And let's quickly put the case on and see how it looks. Looks pretty neat, and looks like I'm gonna have a lot of fun using this device. Now the phone is on. So that is a quick unboxing of the matte, and let me show you guys where I was doing this. There you go. We're just doing it in an open space. Call it adventure, call it fun. There's a big screen. That was our unboxing arena, and this is where the pop-up event was held. Everything is wrapping up right now. So yeah, as far as High Street Phoenix is concerned, as far as this pop-up is concerned, we are done for the day. I'll see you on the bike, and once I'm home, I'll see you guys. For now, goodbye.